What if your house or your land is paying you every single month? And the fun part is you don't have to go to work for it. And that's exactly what passive income in real estate can do for you. And today I'm going to be explaining how it works, even if you don't have the millions to start. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, and on this channel we talk about building real wealth, the kind of wealth that works for you even while you're sleeping. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button because we create content like this every day. So let's get into it. First, we need to understand what passive income is, because we've been hearing a lot about passive income. So passive income is money that comes to you without you actively working for it every single day. You put in the work or the money in once, and it keeps paying you over and over again. And real estate is one of the oldest systems in the world for creating this. So the first way to start earning passive income through real estate is rentals, and this is the most straightforward one. But the only downside to this is that not everybody have the capacity to start building a project, right? That is why you need to stay glued to this video to get the other two passive income I'll be talking about. So now you own a property and someone is paying you rent every year to live in it or to use it. And coming down to Delta State currently, a self-contained in a decent area is going for somewhere around 400 to 600k per year. If you own the property, that rent is coming to you every year, whether you are at the office, whether you're in the UK, or whether you are sleeping. You don't have to do anything extra. The only thing there is the tenant is paying you and your money is entering your account, and that's passive income. Now, some people in the diaspora are already doing this, where they get to buy flats or they buy houses right here in Nigeria, and they are getting paid rent every single year. That's the game. The second one is land banking, and believe me, this one is powerful because it doesn't even require you to have a tenant or for you to develop it. The only thing you need to do is to buy land in an area that is growing and you hold it. And as that area is developing, the land is also growing in value. I've seen this play in countless times here in Delta State, in Asaba City, where places that people once ignored 5-6 years ago because they thought it was bush are now being developed, and the people that bought then are smiling because development has started moving in massive. Now the same thing is happening in the southeast, in Abia State to be precise. Same thing is happening in Abuja and also happening in Lagos, because the city is expanding and infrastructure is coming in. But the key thing here is you buy at a low entry price and hold it for a few years, and by the time you sell it, you will make millions without even lifting a finger. Remember that you don't need to develop it, and you don't also need to put a tenant to it, and that is passive income from land banking. Now there is a third one not many people talk about, and I know you're going to love this, because for me it is one of the most exciting opportunities, especially if you're looking at buying landed properties outside big cities, which is agro real estate. And as the name implies, it's very easy to understand. So this is where you own land, and instead of building on it like the rent house or leaving it bare without doing anything on it like land banking, you can simply farm on it or lease it to farmers who will grow foodstuff, or they can cultivate on it or raise livestock, and they pay you for the use of the land. Now, every season money is coming to you because food demand is not going down anytime soon. It's actually going up. So land that can grow things has real value. And some places have already started practicing this in some of our estates, where they get to buy from us and they partner with some farmers, and the land is generating income for them depending on the agreement you reach with these farmers. The beautiful thing about this is you're not the one farming, and you don't have to wake up early in the morning to go to the field. As long as the farmer is making use of this property, you are earning on the other side, and that is passive income from the ground. And another reason why I love agro real estate is that the entry prices for land in these areas are still very affordable. Very affordable. So if you've been looking for a way to enter into real estate without you having to start with millions, this might be it for you. So we have landed properties that are selling for a promo price of 950,000 naira per plot, a full plot, inclusive of your document, and in a developing area, very close to the deputy governor of Delta State who bought acres in that location. So if this interests you, send me a message with the number on the screen. Let me guide you through on a real estate journey. My name is Sam City.